welcome to Meta 8. Now in this video we are going to talk about the random forest regressor. Now let's start. At very beginning we have imported the pandas and numpy. Here you can see that, and here we have imported our dataset, that is big cells dataset from the GitHub, and here we have printed the first 5 rows of our data frame. Here you can see the first 5 rows, and these are the column like item identifier, item weight, item fat content, and these are the columns. And here I have printed the information of our dataset, of my dataset. Like here you can see that data type of column, and is there any value contain null or null. So here we can see that for the column item word, it contains some null value. Here I have printed the statistical summary of my dataset, like count, mean, standard deviation, quartiles, max, some like that. And as we can see that here item weight contain some null value. So for that purpose we have filled that missing value here, that null value here, by using mean of that column here. And now again we have printed the information of our dataset. Now here you can see that the item weight column does not contain any null value for now. Here we have printed the pair plot for visualization purpose. In the, like, here you can see the item weight, like item where this is item visibility, item MRP, like that. You can see this is the visualization purpose. Now here we are getting the category and counting the value, like for the category item identifier we are counting the values, like FDQ 08 is 10, like something like that here. And here is our data set contains many, like many categorical value, so we are converting that categorical value into numerical values. So here, for first of all we have converting, like here ELF low fat, these are the low fat regular REG, like that. So we are replacing that one, low fat with 0, regular with 1, and we are in place is equal to, we have done in place is equal to true. In here we can see that fruit and vegetable 0, snacks food 0, household 1, like that we have converting. And here you can also see that out 0 27 0, out 0 13 1, like that we are converting. Here even you can see that these are the, like small 0, medium 1, high 2, like that we are converting categorical data set into discrete or numerical data set. So now here you can see that every data has converted into numerical except that one item identifier. So again we are printing the information of our data set, and here you can see that every data type is either float or integer except first one, that is item identifier. So here we are getting the shape of our data frame, that is number of rows and number of columns, that is 14,204 rows and 12 column. And here we are creating dependent and independent variable. So for that, here is our data item identifier contains some categorical value, and even we don't require that one, so you are dropping this one. And item outlet cells also you are dropping, as it does not require in X, and we are assigning that item outlet cells in Y. Here you can see that here. So here we are scaling our uh, X, and here we have is our values, like item weight. Here you can see the item weight, visibility, and like that this one item outlet says this contains like a bigger numbers, so you are transforming that to the, like in between the 0 to 1 numbers. So here we have scaled that one, scaled using we have transformed using standard scaler. Now we are splitting our dataset with the help of train test split. So here we are splitting our dataset into x train, x test, y train, y test using train test split, and we have taken train size 90% and test size 10%. And here now we have imported our model, that is random forest regressor from in assemble technique. and again we have fitted our x10 and y10 to our model, and here this is our here we are getting the model prediction. Now here we have printed the like mean squared error, mean absolute error, r2 square, and for that purpose we have imported mean square error, r2 score from the matrix. So for mean square error we can see that this is the mean square error, and this is the mean absolute error, and this is the r2 score of the dataset. Now here we are getting the visualization of actual versus predicted. So here you can see that this is the actual, and this is the predicted value, and this is the uh, visualization of that actual and predicted. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.